Hey cartoon friends, so today is pretty fun. So we're gonna do a classic and Nintendo video game character. This is a Bubble Bobble. They're just simple monsters, big eyes, funny mouth with a little, I guess, a buck tooth kind of thing happening there. So I'm gonna draw this, rough it out first, on a bubble. Okay. These games are very simple. You can look at the character here. I'm gonna kind of exaggerate things and like the spikes and the eyes and the mouth, but I'm just using this as reference. But so what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna have this character sitting on a bubble in the air. Okay, so I'm probably gonna rough out this circle right now, the bubble. Okay. Then I'm gonna place this character on top of it. I'm going to start over here and bring a line all the way up and then exaggerate the face. So I'm drawing this part of the head right now, then the cheek area, and then wrap it around like that. And then the tail, and probably a foot over here. Wrap it like that. And his arm's right. I don't know if you can see that on the screen. I'll take a look up. Yeah, you can see that. So I'm just doing an arm. So I'm exaggerating things. I know it's not exactly how he looks, and that's okay. And then you give a little kind of fingers like that. And another hand over here. So he's holding onto the bubble like that. And then another foot on this side. So I'm still changing things. Kind of having fun with this. Yeah, because this video game is very simple, but it's a lot of fun. So I thought it'd be kind of fun to draw these characters. Okay, so I'm just getting a nice loose drawing right now. I'll draw the mouth. And I get that kind of buck tooth, or the front tooth like that. He's smiling. He's very happy. Right, like that. Right, he's just kind of on the bubble. And then I'm going to exaggerate the eyes because you can see it's very big. And then I'm just going to cartoon them up a bit, really exaggerate that. And then the spikes, because he definitely has spikes on the tail area as well. Okay, so I think I got my rough done. I'm gonna add little side things too to him. And like I said, I'm gonna, it doesn't have to be exactly how it looks here. I'm kind of drawing my own style to it. It's cool. And then little bubbles over here, a bubble over here, and a bubble up there. Okay. So now that I've done this, the rough drawing, I'm going to fill it in, or do the outlines now with marker. So I'm just doing Crayola markers right now. Just gonna check. I think this one looks better. It's more ink in it, anyways. Okay. So first, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start with maybe the eyes. So we get a nice round shape here. So this one won't be as thick as the outline. There you go, like that. I'm gonna change that up. Like that. I'm gonna fill in the pupils now. There's people up here. I'm gonna vary the sizes and change it up a bit. That's good. That's good. And then I'm going to draw the mouth. So I'm going to draw it from here all the way down. And the tooth. Cheek. Get around like that. probably, I know you don't see it there, but I'm gonna give him a tongue. Great. I'm gonna do the cheek area and around. So this can be a little thicker over here, and thicker at the bottom as well. So let's go and around. Awesome. And now the hand as well. Around. Like that. Great. And then I give it little fingers here. Like that. Again, like that. And another one over here. Little highlight. That's good. Just fixing that up. And as well under here. Just holding onto the bubble. Little hand, little fingers. I think it's coming along. And then I'm going to finish the bubble around here. So do a couple practice, like lightly over the page. That sometimes helps. And go. Great. Okay. And then what I can do, so probably do around the head. So I'm gonna go lightly, and then bring it down a little thicker. Or I can go thicker and then bring it up. So I might start here, thicker, and then around. And then I'll turn the page, just bring it up, attach it up there like that. Nice. The tail area. Nice. And then I'm gonna add some eyebrows. I know it's not in my reference, but I'm gonna add it. Some spikes. That's good. I'm going to fill in this area too with the mouth. Yep. Let's fill that in. What I may do too is give a little extra underlines around the eyes. That sometimes gives it a little bit more character. Nice. Now the back feet here. Inside line nice and light. Toes here again, toes. Like that. A little thicker. And then nice light line in the middle there. Like that. Same thing over this side. Back leg. Cool. Alright, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase all the pencil line and color. Let's see, like that. Okay. So let's see our colors. I'm going to use greens for the I'm going to do this one, the green and the orange or the yellow. Okay, so we'll color it in, okay? So we're going to do the greens first. Let's see where I can start. I'll start over here. So let's see how that looks. That looks nice. tail as well. Okay. I'm just covering the whole area with the green right now. What I'll do is I'll add a little bit darker green underneath here, like the shadow area. Or even like a blue if I wanted to, but for now I'll do the green, see how that looks. Let's see. That's not bad. And over here there should be a shadow too. Definitely the back part of the tail. Maybe even underneath the eyes. It's always nice. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is, it says like orange. I'm gonna do like a little bit of yellow and then add the orange and see how that looks. Let's see that. And then add the orange after. That looks cool. Gives it a nice look. I'll do the arms as well. Give it that orange as well. And here. So it'll probably be a lot darker on this side because underneath his mouth or his head. So yeah, definitely darken this area once I get to it with the orange. So let's try that. Okay. Nice. I might add a little bit of red too, actually, on that part, but not too dark of a red. So let's see how this looks. Just right here, right under this part. Just give it a nice shadow. Yeah, I think that looks nice. I'm gonna add some yellows on the side here. Yeah, as well as there. And then under the teeth, maybe like a blue or a gray, just at the top part, giving it a shadow. And that looks nice. And then the tongue, some pink. Darker. That's nice. Oh, I gotta get these feet. So I'll start with the yellow again. And then fill it in with that orange. And then you can always add that red if you really, really want to. Oh yeah, that's coming along quite nice actually. It's fun. Now the bubble. So the blues, let's see. Okay, let's see how this looks. So a nice, darker area around here. darker underneath here as well, because that's where it's kind of over top of it, right? So like that. Nice. And then I'll add some, you know, bubbles over here. I might add, which I probably should have done here, is with a blue marker, but that's okay. So I'll do this, some more circles over here. That. Like that. Another one up here. Maybe one more over here. Maybe one. Yeah, I think that's good. Just gonna fix up the eye a little bit more. Just kind of make sure it's nice and round, and then the pupil. Nice. Okay, and then I'll just erase the extra pencil lines that were under there. And fill in those bubbles. A little circle to start, and then fill it in. Maybe a little darker on the underneath part, a little darker on here. Circle, it's looking good. Circle, and then wrap it around the form. It doesn't need to be perfect. You know, I tend to work fast because I just want to get, you know, the action out. But I think that's came along all right. I'm just probably going to do little touch-ups here and there. Extra red if I want. So I'm just doing little touch-ups here and there. If I don't really have to do this, I'm just trying to see how it looks. Just kind of having fun. But I think that came along quite good. Let's see, I'll sign it. Oh! Sign it. Dun, dun, dun. Let's see. And that is Bubble Bobble. All right, have a look. Let me know what you think. All right, high five, friends.